If for some reason we need to move a tag, so we need to have it refer to a different commit, we can use the -F option to force that tag through because, as I'll show you, Git does not like it if we try and reuse a tag. So I've got, let's just take this tag here, 17.0.3. And for whatever reason, it's a bad idea and you should not do this typically, but let's say I wanted to, actually, I made a mistake. I instead want this tag to point to this commit right here. So I can copy that commit hash, and then I want 17.0.3. So I can do git tag, and then v 17.0.3, and then this commit hash. But then Git says, not so fast, fatal, always so dark sounding, that tag already exists. So tag names do need to be unique. I can't reuse that. So that's a problem. But if I want to move that, which is what I'm trying to do, I made a mistake for whatever reason, I want that tag to actually apply. I want it to refer to this commit right here. Instead, I use the -F flag. So just like that, it doesn't have to go at the end, of course, anywhere, but -F, and I force it through. It says, all right, updated that tag. It was referring to this commit. Now it refers to that commit you wanted. And if I do my git log, there it is. It refers to this commit instead of that one. So that's how you can move tags if needed. Not something I do very often at all, but if you need to, use the -F flag.